Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi bersama saya di Indobrony Channel, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan lagi semi blind reaction kita, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan series My Little Pony Friendship is Magic season kedua, dan sekarang adalah episode ke-24 ya, yang judulnya MM Mystery on the Friendship Express ya. Dan saya tidak tahu tentang apa episode kali ini, dan ya kita langsung saja ke videonya ya. Kita akan mulai videonya dalam 3, 2, 1, mulai. Ya, saya memakai original audionya yang Inggris ya, dan subtitle Indonesia.
Pinky.
And thanks for transporting it all the way to Canterlot for us.
Absolutely, it's my honor, and beg pardon, but could we maybe move things along? This here cake's a mite heavy, right, Big Macintosh?
Wow. Bahkan Big Mac tidak bisa mengangkat kuenya. Kesusahan Big Mac. Dan harus dijaga juga keseimbangannya. Berbulan-bulan. Sebenarnya kalau saya pikir ya, bakalan lebih bagus kalau misalnya mereka memakai gerobak gitu. Lebih bisa dijaga keseimbangannya gitu. Kecuali kalau memang jalanannya yang tidak terlalu bagus sih. Dan harus diantar ini sampai ke Canterlot. Wow, jauh banget. How? Terlalu besar kuenya. Poni kecilku, apa makna persahabatan poni kecilku? Kini ku tahu sejak berteman, petualangan, keceriaan, keikhlasan, setia dan tabah, berbuat baik, bersahaja, magis membuat sempurna. Poni kecilku, kalian adalah sahabatku. Hah? Wow. Keretanya dihancurkan, ada dibuka anunya ya. Tidak lewat pintu ya. Apa tidak bisa gitu dibuat di Canterlot gitu? Kita bawa bahan-bahannya ke Canterlot lalu dibuat saja di situ. Wah, jadi kayak anjing si anu coy. Applejack.
It's the most delicious, delectable, delightful, delovely cake in Equestria, and it's sure to win first prize.
This is not so. For I, Gustave Legrand, to a duel of delectable delicacies against my exceptionally exquisite eclairs.
Ini aksen apa ya? Prancis kah? Italia?
Le champion.
Le champion.
Donut Joe.
Donut Joe.
Picking up the final, all-important ingredient for my contest entry, Donutopia.
Donutopia.
And with these super sprinkles,
wow,
my donuts are gonna dunk all the other lousy desserts, steal first prize.
Para Friendship Bakery ini datang semua ya ke Canterlot ya.
Hello. What's your name?
lemai.
Behold, my chocolate mousse! It will trample all your treats, be given first prize, and make me the greatest chef in Equestria.
Madame Mild, you and your mousse are mistaken. Your frou-frou eclairs will never defeat my donuts.
The cake's marzipan mascarpone meringue madness is going to win!
Your simple cake could never take my mousse.
Well, it sure looks like we're in for a delicious competition tomorrow. Maybe we should all settle in for a good night's sleep.
I gotta admit, I'm pretty.
Itu tadi di foto itu siapa,
I haven't
coy?
hit the hay myself.
Never seen him.
Did you hear those, Chef? We have to protect...
Hmm?
I know for super sure that is the best dessert in Equestria, and I know that they know it too.
So,
One of them is gonna sabotage the cakes' cake tonight. You have to help me stand guard. Pinky, you're overreacting.
yeah, those chefs aren't gonna do your cake any harm.
But they are. I just know it.
Fine. If you want to stand guard, go for it. We're going to bed.
I'll show them. I'll stay up all night and protect you. Nothing and no pony will stop me from keeping you safe. Huh? Stop, saboteur!
Kayaknya itu Rainbow Dash yang pengen
I have you now!
ke toilet. Hah? Apa itu cuma halusinasi atau apa gitu?
Oh, thanks, Celestia, you're okay. But one of those bakers is mixing up something bad, so I'm not leaving you
What
alone
was
no
that?
matter what.
Apa tadi itu? Apa itu tadi?
Huh? Who turned off the moon? Don't go near that cake, thief! Stop, thief! Oh, are you okay, thief?
Are you okay, thief? Ini siapa yang dipoto, coy?
Overreacting my hook. I knew I was gonna have to keep a close eye on you, and that's just what I'm gonna do.
Apa Pinkie Pie cuma berhalusinasi atau apa ini? Saya bingung ini. Dan bagaimana ini dengan judul episodenya Friendship Express gitu? Belum ada kayak Friendship Express. Prinsipnya saya.
Oh, you look marvelous. Whoa, I know. I think some congratulations are in order for a job well done. You better hold off on giving yourself an award just yet, Pinky. Look. Look at what?
What is it?
What happened?
Itu siapa yang makan?
Mascarpone meringue madness. It's been...
Ada satu poni yang saya
Now we just
ada
need to
satu
find
poni
out
yang
who
saya
did that.
curigai, cuman bisa saja salah, jadi saya tidak akan bilang gitu.
Who did done do it?
Bisa saja ke kan Pinkie. Saya tidak akan bilang, tapi saya akhirnya bilang juga ya. Bisa saja kan Pinkie yang kayak berhalusinasi atau apa gitu pas tidur makan gitu atau gimana gitu.
And as chief detective, that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
You're investigating?
Yes! And Twilight shall be my lowly assistant who asks silly questions with obvious answers. Fine, Pinky. Should we start looking for clues? Perfect silly question, my dear Twilight, because the obvious answer is... Yes? No, because I know who did it. Pinky, how could you possibly know? How could I possibly not know? Clearly this dastardly deed was done by the baker, who knew their dessert could not measure up to the mastery of the marzipan mascarpone meringue madness. I guess you feared your eclairs lacked flair! Gustav!
Jadi tanpa bukti ya. Ya. Ini ceritanya dibuat-buat saja.
Thus destroying the cake and the cake's chance
No,
of winning
Pinky.
the national dessert competition. But it
Banyak.
makes no sense.
Yeah, there is no max and
Well, first, if you were tied to the train tracks, how are you now here?
yes. Yes.
Huh.
Twilight, thank you.
That isn't a totally silly question.
And second, the cake hasn't been sliced, it's been bitten. Just look at the teeth marks.
Yep.
You're right, my fine fellow. Gustave Legrand is clearly in the clear, which means the was destroyed by another baker. A baker whose donuts are do-nuts. That's right. It was Joe.
Apalagi kali ini.
Whereas he's
Pinky.
known in the spy world. Me.
Wait, referensinya apa lagi nih? Saya lupa sih. Bukan Men in Black kah? Men in Black atau apa ya nih referensinya nih? Entahlah. Sudah jelas ini tidak terjadi, apalagi tidak. Selalu ada plot hole-nya. Selalu ada plot hole-nya anu, Jo. Ceritanya Pinky.
Crushing the cake's chances to win.
Pinky,
Dan
there
tidak
is
masuk
no
akal.
laser beam security system.
Yap.
Joe is not sleek, stealthy con maid. He's big, gruff, and messy.
Hey!
Although, you would look rather dapper in a tuxedo. You may be right, lowly assistant.
Maybe.
Now that I'm
Maybe.
taking a closer look at these desserts, I see that one simply cannot look me in the eye.
Pinky, that moose is a moose.
Yes, and the mule behind the moose panicked when she saw the mastery of the
So you're saying that the culprit is?
Mulia Mild.
Apalagi kali ini? Ninja kah? Sudah dibilangin sama Twilight ini bekas gigitan, bukan bekas potongan.
Mulia. Pinky, stop. This is ridiculous. Look at her.
I guess you're right.
Thank you.
But I was so sure that it was one of the other bitter bakers that destroyed the That way, their delicious dessert would reign supreme. I mean, just look at Joe's Donutopia. It's a spectacular city of donutty delight, topped temptingly in sprinkalicious sprinkles. And Gustave's eclairs look incredibly edible with glistening glazing.
Dan sekarang Pinkie Pie memuji buatan ya, pesaingnya.
Tempts the taste buds with this silky smooth, yummy, nummy chocolatiness. So why did this criminal devour the marzipan mascarpone meringue madness while leaving this trio of tasty treats untouched?
Who the hey?
No idea who done it.
Ada juga kayak asumsiku yang lain, cuma entahlah.
Well, you have to stop the wild accusations and get to the truth. Every pony go back to your cars while we do a little investigating. Okay, Pinky, in order to really solve this mystery, we're going to have to find clues.
Clue.
Now, you were here at the scene of the crime all night.
You're not accusing me, are you?
No. But maybe you saw something that will help us.
I saw a silhouette in the moonlight.
Good. Let's retrace your steps.
Then I chased the culprit down the train towards the caboose.
Oke.
When I got there, he was gone.
Aha! Our first clue. I think I know who did it, Pinky.
Already?
Yes, but I need more evidence to confirm. Tell me
Okay.
what happened next.
I heard somebody else in the dessert car and chased them up to the engine. But when I got there, all I saw was the conductor shoveling coal.
The conductor, huh? But that doesn't make any sense. What happened next, Pinky?
Well, I went back to the dessert car.
Yes?
The curtains mysteriously closed all on their own.
Interesting. Anything else?
I heard hoofsteps, a loud thud.
Mungkin saya akan diam sampai Twilight memecahkan masalahnya ya.
The portrait by the
Karena
door
saya juga mau fokus ke sini dulu.
My, what is that?
Apa sih yang dikumpulkan oleh Twilight? Saya tahu bukti-buktinya yang dikumpulkan, tapi apa ya gitu.
That's it. I was here guarding the cake the rest of the night. I mean, I slept by the cake the rest of the night.
And when you woke up, half the cake was gone?
Exactly.
By Jove, I think I've got it. Call every pony back.
Oke.
We have a cake culprit to catch.
Why are we all here again?
I bet you're wondering why you're all here again.
She's good.
We have discovered the true culprit of this cake carnage.
But how?
Well, you see, when committing a crime, it's crucial that one never leaves behind clues, especially an obvious clue like this.
Aha! A blue feather! I know
Yeah.
it's you, Gustave Legrand.
No.
Gustave doesn't have blue feathers.
No,
I think it's rainbow dust. Kayaknya asumsi kedua saya yang benar ya. Asumsi pertama saya yang Pinky Pie salah ya.
To the caboose, they suddenly disappeared. That's because they flew away. But the thief did leave a little something behind, didn't you, Rainbow Dash?
I don't even like cake. So Rainbow Dash did it. Case solved.
Case not solved, because when we went to the engine, I saw the conductor's hat. And inside the hat was this.
So it
Fluttershy.
was? That pink hair came from your rainbow
Oh
colored
ya.
hair. I don't have
Pas
pink
saya
in
ikat
my
memang
hair.
siluetnya itu beda-beda.
Ow! Cut it out.
Pinky.
Jadi ada
remember?
beberapa
Just a clue to
pony.
the engine, where you thought you saw the conductor shoveling coal, but that wasn't the conductor at all. It was Fluttershy.
Oh my. You're going down, Fluttershy.
Pinky.
Atau ada
But
bukti
then
lain.
another clue confounded my suspicions. You were guarding the cake when the curtains mysteriously closed. But that's no mystery. That's magic. But when the thief tried to make
Yeah,
their
oh.
escape, they left a little addition to the portrait.
Oh,
Anyone
rarity
else notice
juga.
that Rarity is wearing her hair rather differently today?
What? Isn't it crime to change one's style now and again? Why, I think it's crime not to.
Really?
Fine, I'm guilty. I wear both eyelashes. Oh, and I took a bite of the cake. So did I. Oh, nuts. So did I. You just made it sound so delectable. So tasty. And boy, was it. I only meant to take a little ladylike bite. But it was so good. Yeah, I just dove right in. But I'm really, really sorry.
Terribly sorry.
Sorry, Pinky. That's okay. At least this mystery is finally solved.
But it isn't. We figured out who ate the marzipan mascarpone meringue madness, but we still
Oh,
don't
saya baru sadar kalau itu
Right, Twilight.
singkatannya dari yang nama kuenya panjang itu. Semuanya MMM.
Do you? Look for clues.
Yang terjadinya tadi pas masuk di terowongan gitu kalau tidak salah lah ya.
Well, Pinky, did you find the devourer of the desserts?
I most certainly did. It was none other than the bakers! First of all, Gustav has mousse in his moustache. Joe
What a
has
pun.
Claire in his hair. And Yulia has sprinkles in her wrinkles.
What do you say, bakers?
Oh, I am so sorry, Mulia. But Pinky made your mousse sound très magnifique. Pinky's description of your eclairs really did make them sound scrumptious.
And the way she spoke of your Donutopia was too delectable to resist.
Jadi bagaimana nih kompetisinya?
Well, every pony, we finally have the mystery solved.
Iya.
Yes, but now we don't have any desserts to enter into the contest.
I
Yep.
think we can fix that. Come on.
Are you going to
Today, I learned that it's not good to jump to conclusions.
gabungkan
You have to
kue-kuenya
find
atau
your own
gimana nih?
facts before saying some pony did something. If you don't, you could end up blaming some pony for something they never did.
Iya, digabung.
This could hurt their feelings. And it can make
Lot
you
of
really
sugar.
foolish. So from now on, I will always make sure to get all the facts. How's that for a lesson, Princess Celestia?
Care for a bite?
I don't mind if I do.
Pinky, everyone wants to eat that too. Semua poni juga mau makan itu, kenapa malah dimakan sendirian sama si Pinky. Parah si Pinky. Dan itulah episode untuk kali ini ya. Pelajaran di episode ini bisa diambil adalah kalau misalnya ada kayak misteri kayak gitu, bagusnya cari bukti dulu, cari clue, petunjuk gitu ya. Adakah lagi yang lain ya? Ya kayak mungkin itu saja. Dan untuk episode kali ini mungkin segitu saja. Jika kalian suka dengan konten-konten seperti ini, jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share, dan subscribe ya. Dan jika kalian ingin mendonasikan uang kalian ke saya, kalian bisa klik link traktir Saweria ataupun Patreon yang ada di deskripsi. Dan jika kalian ingin gabung ke server Discord saya, linknya juga ada di deskripsi. Dan sampai jumpa di next video Free Palestine. Bye.